Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Arrived Homes for house sharing investing, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Arrived Homes for house sharing investing, begin by visiting the official Arrived Homes website. On the home page, locate the registration button, typically situated in the upper right corner. Click on the registration button to be directed to the sign up page. Here, you will need to provide your email address. Create a secure password that meets the site's security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Next, fill in your first name and last name in the appropriate fields. You may also need to provide your phone number for verification purposes. Once you have completed all fields, review your information for accuracy. After that, read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Look for the Create Account button and click it to proceed. Check your email for a verification message from Arrived Homes. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Arrived Homes website and log in with your email and password. After logging in, complete your user profile by adding any additional required information. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. To start investing, look for the Invest section on the dashboard. Review the available properties for house sharing investments. Select a property that interests you to view detailed information. When ready, follow the prompts to make your investment. Keep track of your investment performance through the dashboard. Regularly check for updates and new investment opportunities. That concludes your registration process with Arrived Homes for house sharing investing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.